Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wanting to get into vinyl, but don't want to deal with the hassle of manual setup, this one's perfect for you. Before we dive in, hit the first link below to check today's Amazon deal. The Sony Phosphorus Monosulfide LX310BT keeps selling out fast whenever the price drops. I've been using the Phosphorus Monosulfide LX310BT for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's one of the easiest turntables I've ever used. Setup took less than 10 minutes. Unbox it, place the platter, loop the belt, connect it, and you're done. No balancing tone arms, no cartridge alignment. Just press start, and it plays your record automatically. The design is sleek and minimal. The matte black finish looks clean, the buttons are simple, and it fits perfectly on a desk or shelf without taking over the space. It's lightweight but feels well put together. Sony kept it elegant and modern. Performance-wise, it's fantastic for casual and even serious listening. The built-in Phono preamp means you can plug it straight into any speaker setup or connect wirelessly via Bluetooth to headphones or a soundbar. I've paired it with both, and the connection was instant. No drops, no lag. The sound is rich and warm, especially for a belt drive turntable at this price. Quick reminder. Tap the link below to see the current price. These Bluetooth turntables often dip during sales and disappear right after. Specs-wise, it supports both 33 1/3 and 45 RPM records, has a USB output for digitizing vinyl, and a fully automatic tone arm that lifts and returns at the end of playback. No scratching, no manual handling needed. It even remembers paired Bluetooth devices, so you don't need to reconnect every time. In real-world use, it's effortless. Hit start, sit back, and enjoy. It's quiet, consistent, and super convenient for daily listening. You can go from vinyl nostalgia to wireless freedom in seconds. Pros: checkmark, fully automatic and beginner-friendly. Checkmark Bluetooth and wired output flexibility. Checkmark clean, modern design. Checkmark built-in Phono preamp and USB recording. Checkmark great sound quality for the price. Cons: Crossmark cartridge isn't easily upgradable. Crossmark plastic build, not meant for heavy audiophile tweaking. So, if you want a record player that gives you the warmth of vinyl without the complexity, this is the one. It's perfect for new collectors, living rooms, or anyone who just wants an easy, reliable turntable. Click the first link in the description right now before the deal changes. I've seen this model drop in price overnight and vanish the next day. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, drop a like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to check that link before it's gone.